In honor of the 50th anniversary of the Renault 5 model, the French automaker built a restomod based on the first-generation car. Fashion designer Pierre Honalon was invited to implement the project, who gave the model a golden decor and a steering wheel made of carbon and marble. It is known that the Renault 5 was converted into an electric car. The authors did not reveal the parameters of the machine, neither the power, nor the battery capacity, nor the power reserve. Perhaps they will not do this, since the car will remain a single copy and will be sold at auction next fall as a work of art. The original body of the 1972 model retained most of the body panels. Headlights and lanterns were made protruding from the body. Bumpers, door sills, imitation of a radiator grille, small body decoration, everything is painted in golden color and contrasts with the pink main color. The latter is not simple, 3-layer, with gold pigments. The wheels were borrowed from the charged version of Alpine. The hard roof was replaced by a folding soft one. In the interior, the center of the composition is the steering wheel of an unusual shape, made of carbon and marble. The lining of the floor tunnel is also decorated with marble. The front panel includes 3 separate circular LCD displays. Ventilation deflectors and door card elements are decorated with golden inserts. In the center of the panel is a stand for a smartphone. The car-specific wool carpets, seat fabric and horsehair inserts on the torpedo complete the look. 2 generations of Renault 5 were produced until 1996. The revival of the model should take place next year in the form of a subcompact electric hatchback. Its prototype was presented almost a year and a half ago. There is no information about the filling yet.